Are you tired of your fence being just a fence? Imagine transforming that functional boundary into a breathtaking piece of art that elevates your entire property's curb appeal. Today, we're showing you how thoughtful design and creative materials can turn any fence into a stunning outdoor feature you'll be proud to show off. Fences don't just provide privacy and protection, they can be a powerful design statement. Choosing the right material, whether it's natural wood, sleek vinyl, or intricate metal, can completely redefine your space. Add in artistic details like patterns, custom colors, or unique textures, and suddenly your fence becomes an outdoor art installation. Think of your fence as a canvas. From geometric designs to nature-inspired motifs, the possibilities are endless. An artistic fence doesn't just look good. It adds lasting value to your property and sets the tone for your entire outdoor space. Your fence is more than a boundary. It's a reflection of your style. Why settle for plain when you can elevate your curb appeal with creativity and thoughtful design? Stay tuned for more outdoor transformation ideas that inspire. And if you're ready to bring your vision to life, visit caanfenceinc.com or call 781-767-3596 today.